There are 3 essential steps to installing the Zip internal drive correctly. The first step is to identify the way the IDE devices are currently connected to your computer. Second, install the drive. And third, install the Iomega software. Although your computer may differ from the system we used in our video, the same basic install steps apply. Before you start, make sure that the power cable is disconnected. Touch bare metal on the computer casing to discharge any static electricity. You'll need to remove the computer's cover so that you can locate the IDE channels inside your computer. On the back of the CD-ROM is a wide flat cable. This is the IDE interface cable. Follow it around the other cables until you find where it connects to the computer's main board or motherboard. There should be 2 connectors next to each other, and they should be labeled primary and secondary. These are your computer's 2 IDE channels. This is the system that allows you to connect IDE devices such as your hard drive, CD-ROM, and your new Zip internal drive to your computer. Iomega suggests that you connect your Zip internal drive to the secondary IDE channel. If your CD-ROM is currently connected to the secondary IDE channel, disconnect the cable from both the CD-ROM and the motherboard and set it aside. Use the IDE interface cable that was included with your Zip drive. If you follow the cable down from the CD-ROM and find that it is not connected to the secondary IDE channel, refer to your Zip drive's owner's manual for steps on how to install the Zip internal drive. If your CD-ROM is connected to the secondary IDE channel, check the jumper on it to make sure that it's set as the master device. The master setting should be indicated somewhere on the CD-ROM drive. You'll want to check this to help ensure that the CD-ROM has the master relationship to the Zip drive. Reference section of Hardware Installation Manual number 8. Verify that the jumper on your CD-ROM is set to master. Next, locate an empty 5 1/4 or 3 1/2 inch drive bay and insert the drive. If you're installing the Zip drive into a 3 1/2 inch bay, remove the mounting brackets that are currently attached to the drive. Also, some computers may require mounting rails to secure the Zip drive. Now you're ready to connect the IDE interface cable. Using the cable that came with your Zip drive, attach the long end to the secondary IDE channel using the notch on the side of the connector as a guide. Make sure that the pin 1 on the cable indicated by the red stripe matches up with pin 1 on the IDE channel. You can use the primary IDE channel as a guide to locating pin 1. Both cables should have the red stripe on the same side of the IDE channel. Once the cable is secured there, attach the middle to the CD-ROM. Again, make sure the pin 1 positions match up. Attach the other end connector onto the Zip drive. Now locate an available power cable and connect it to the Zip drive. If there are no available power cables, use the Power Y adapter provided with the Zip drive. In this case, disconnect the power cable from the CD-ROM drive and attach the Power Y adapter. Then connect power to both the CD-ROM and the Zip drive. Reference section of Hardware Installation Manual number 6. Connect an internal computer power supply cable to the Zip drive. Next, secure the Zip drive to the drive bay with the mounting screws. Once the drive is secure and you've checked that all the cables are connected properly, put the cover back on the computer and reattach the power cable. Reference section of Hardware Installation Manual number 11. Check the following items before replacing the computer cover. Congratulations! You've finished the hardware installation. Installing the Iomega software is as easy as booting up the computer and inserting the toolbox CD. Just follow the on-screen instructions and reference the software installation section of your manual. Once that's finished, you're ready to get back to work. Be aware that during installation your CD-ROM may have been shifted to a new drive letter. This may cause problems with previously installed multimedia software. For steps on how to reassign the drive letter on your CD-ROM, refer to the troubleshooting section of your owner's manual entitled "You want to change the drive letter assigned to your Zip drive."